Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a sneak attack in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. So basically what you'll need to use is R1. As you can see, this will sneak up to enemies and they take them down quietly. So what you'll need to do is go next to enemy, press R1. Okay, and now you'll need to go to another enemy. So let's do that. Okay, take another enemy and let's go to again another enemy, then take it out. Wait for your teammate to make sure they get down that enemy, and right here be careful, and now just go from the back, and that's how you'll be able to clear those ninjas. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.